NECare is NEC's IT maintenance and support service that keeps businesses communicating. Since 1989, NECare has supported thousands of customers across Australia and the Pacific Islands. We understand that maintaining and maximising the availability and performance of your IT network whilst minimising total cost of ownership is critical to your business. NECare safeguards your communications network and helps protect revenue, customer service levels and corporate reputation. NECare solves the problems created by vendor warranty limitations, which are rarely designed with business-critical systems in mind. With parts and technicians spread across Australia and abroad, including remote areas, location is never an issue, and we service leading brands, not just NEC. NECare has a flexible 3-tier service model, so whether you need 9 to 5 Monday to Friday or 24/7 support, NECare can be tailored to suit all needs and budgets. You can choose a premium service for your phone system and a standard service for your network. NECare supports hundreds of customers across thousands of sites. Spare parts are stored in over 200 locations. We have around 800 skilled support staff nationally, and we resolve in excess of 50,000 customer issues each year. Equipment can fail, but our customers can take comfort in knowing that we'll fix the issue remotely or come on site within a guaranteed timeframe. For a safe pair of hands and complete peace of mind, it's NECare from NEC.